everybody, good evening. I am Niwayan Kartini from Senior High School to Samarapura. In this wonderful occasion, I'd like to deliver my views about webinar hosted by SRM First, organized by TIUPS International by the topic Virtual Learning Environment for Effective Education. I thank you very much, million thanks for the knowledges that I have gained from this webinar. In the 3 days webinar, I have gained lots of beneficial things. Those are really wonderful occasion for me because I can join the wonderful webinar held by TIUPS International hosted by SRM University, India. Really hope that I'm going to be invited to the next wonderful event like this anymore. The webinar had 3 days. Day 1, it talked about online tools in enhanced education delivered by Dr. S. Albert Anthony Reg. Day 2, about psychology and technology in education delivered by Dr. S. Kishore. And day 3, about assessment and evaluation e-quiz delivered by Professor K. Salamani. Day 1, online tool to enhance education by Dr. S. Albert Anthony Reg. Everybody know this, with the COVID-19 pandemic, the presence of technology is truly felt in the learning process. Because in the current condition, it is not possible to do face-to-face learning. Then online learning is the main choice. The benefits of online learning include learning to be done anywhere and anytime. Learning can also be adjusted to the capacity of each student. Online learning academic interaction between students and teachers is unlimited, so it can improve the quality of student learning. Teachers can give assessment and evaluation, so it's really needed to use virtual tools in learning process. So what is virtual tools? Virtual tools is a web-based platform for the digital aspects of courses aimed for studying. They are including Edmodo, Google, WebEx, Zoom, etc. By virtual learning can help student learning more effective. From Mr. Dr. S. Albert Anthony Reg, I get lots of knowledge and clear explanation in using and operating Google Classroom for my online classes. How to access Google Classroom, how to create classroom, how to join or invite students, how to give classworks like assignments, questions, quizzes, and many more. Day 2, Psychology and Technology in Education by Dr. S. Kishore. According to Dr. S. Kishore, technology and psychology are not different and they are related. Psychology is something which is related to inner search, and technology is something to outer search, driving the human race to the surrounding developed environment. For example, like we can drive our car going home from work. Technology is not just changing the way people interact with the world, it's also changing the way scientists study human behavior and the brain. Psychology is all about the understanding of our thoughts. Psychology is the ability of human thinking. Thoughts are always changing every day. The technology will realize our thought. So, technology shapes thoughts, feelings, and actions. Day 3, about assessment and evaluation e-quiz from Professor K. Salamani. The assessment and evaluation is really important in learning process. An assessment can be called authentic when it involves students in worthwhile, significant, and meaningful tasks. They look like learning activities which involving higher order thinking skills and the coordinations of a broad range of knowledge. In learning process, assessment and evaluation can be separated. In testing, a teacher is setting up of test and examination. In assessing, a teacher is giving corrections of students' work on the test and examination. And when passing judgment on students' performance, it means that a teacher is evaluating process. Without evaluation, we don't know the progress or setback that occur in a process. And the assessment is needed to determine the level of mastery of students towards the material that has been given. Well, everybody, last but not least, as a teacher, we must be able to change to be better. Thank you very much for all the excellencies in the reviews and SRM University. Goodbye.